Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be tackling the rear air suspension and the flip down center stand. So the rear air suspension is the kit we got from American Suspension with the fast up tank, and the center stand is from MRI. So in order for us to see if everything works with our rear suspension, we're gonna have to mock up the rear fender and the rear saddlebags, just because we're gonna be reusing a lot of stock brackets, and we can tell that a couple of them won't work with them. So we'll see what we can do. Let's get to work.
What do we have here?
Front wheel. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of peanuts. Alright.
Woo!
Open. Want to hold it?
Yeah.
This is that. It is.
Oh,
That's gonna look great. Thank you, Havoc. Check the rear, that's the exhaust, which means the rear, got a rear valve. Você çıksa bağışık verdim bir tane.
Yeah, forget cartridges, man. Just go buy an Epson Eagle tape for them. Cousins were ridiculous.
Hayır,